Okay, today we are going to make a foldable over some of our vocabulary for this unit of social studies. So you should all have a piece of manila paper, and I want you to lay it out long ways like I have mine. And you're going to just take it and you're going to fold one in like this. Then you'll fold the other one in. Kind of like you're making a brochure, right? So when you open it up, you have 3 sections. Now you're going to fold it like this in half. And then you're going to take it and fold it one more time in half. Like this. So when you open it back up, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 1, 2, 3 columns to do some vocabulary. Okay, our first vocabulary word of this unit is chronology. C-H-R-O-N-O-L-O-G-Y. Chronology. Let me zoom that in a little bit for you. Where's mine? There we go. Chronology. And chronology means, let me take off my keys are rubbing. Arranging dates or events in the order they happen. Arranging dates or events in the order they happen. So you might have heard the term chronological order, and that's what that means. It means you're putting the events in order by date that they happened. So a perfect example of chronology would be a timeline. You know, when you see something like this, and it says, for example, let's say if I was doing like a chronological order like of my family, I might put, okay, in 2004, Lauren was born, 2006, Grayson, 2017, new house, or whatever events I want to put. You don't have to put my events, but just a timeline. A timeline should be one of those things that remind you when you think of chronological order or chronology, think of a timeline. You're putting events in order by the date in which they happened. So that's what chronology is. Your next word is past. And the past is a period of time before this moment. Okay, so let's think about that. Anything that happened before right now is in the past. It could have happened yesterday. It could have happened a year ago. It could have happened 100 years ago. That is all what we refer to as the past. And so over here, draw a little picture of something that happened in the past. Y'all know I am a terrible artist, so let me think. Oh, I know, because my anniversary is this week. So I'm going to draw Look, me and my husband, my little stick figures. I'm going to put a long veil on me. And I'm going to put a little ring. There you go. We got married in October of 2003. So that was in the past. Obviously your picture, something that happened in your past. It could be something that happened over the summer, 2 years ago, 5 years ago. It's the past. The next is present. And our definition is existing or occurring now. So right now, present for you guys would be 3rd grade. That is what is happening right now. That is the time period that is in the present. You are presently in 3rd grade. And maybe you can guess our last one. Our last one is future. Time that has yet to come. So anything that has not happened yet, oops, sorry, let me move this. Anything that has not happened yet is in the future. That goes from tomorrow all the way up. So anything that we have not done yet, next week, next month, next year, that is all the future. So when I think of the future, you might think, and again, I'm a terrible drawer, but look, I'm going to put a little, ooh, that's a big, I was going for like a little cap, like a little graduation cap, you know, with like a tassel. Ooh, Miss Mann is not an artist, so graduation. Again, you can draw whatever you want here, but your graduation is in the future. So just to recap, chronology is arranging dates or events in the order that they happen and think of a timeline. The past is anything that happened before right now. That is the past. The present is existing or occurring right now. And the future are things that are yet to come. So those 4 words are important to this unit of study as we look at how communities have formed and how they have changed over time and putting dates in order, timelines, etc. Go ahead when you are done with these, you will put them in your social studies notebook.